G'day legends, Craig from Beastie Life here. Now I know exactly what you're thinking. Craig, you have a massive package between your legs. Well, yes I do. Now, there's a bit of a backstory behind this, but basically the contents of this package I needed to send to JMax Engineering, where Jamie, Olivia and the crew have worked tirelessly on this project, and I reckon it's an absolute winner. So, you reckon you know what it might be? I'll give you a hint. It's long, it's black, it's 5 inches in diameter of pure goodness, and it's guaranteed to put a smile on your face. I reckon we take a look.
It's all about confidence, baby. She was a confident lady.
3 little birds sat on my window, and they told me I don't need to worry. Summer came like cinnamon, so sweet. Little girls double dutch on the concrete. Maybe sometimes we've got it wrong, but it's alright. The more things seem to change, the more they stay the same. Ooh, don't you hesitate. Girl, put your record on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down. Sapphire and faded jeans, I hope you get your dream. Just go ahead, let your head down. You're gonna find yourself somewhere, somehow. Blue as the sky, sunburned and lonely.
When you're